it's looking pretty empty behind me, but you know, it's the way it is. So I'm not sure how we're going to do this. I'm holding up, the leg fell off of my tripod, so I'm holding it up with my feet, but then when I want to try these clothes on for you, I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. So anyway, I got my wee blessings. It comes in this little package, little black bundle, and you get a prepaid return envelope. I like wee blessings because it costs $8 shipping to you and no styling fee or anything, and everything is 40 to 60% off. My hair's kind of crazy. So, looks like I got 4 blouses and a pair of shorts. A $21, 2 22s, and 2 23s. So it's all pretty much the same. But they had one of them, the $22 ones, it was originally $80. One was originally $42, $42, $39.50, and $40. So if I add up all the original costs versus what I'm paying for it, it's more than 50% off. All right, let's see what we got and see if we can figure out how to try it on. Alrighty. One thing I like about Wee Blessings is they put it in the box in the same order that it is on the price list. So you're not like digging around trying to figure it out. Okay, first one is Hillary Radley Blue Short Sleeve Floral. Original price $42, my cost $23. Hello, dogsters. This is pretty. It's a pretty color, very springy. I like it. Hopefully it fits good. It's that kind of material that kind of makes you sweat though. That's the only thing. It's an extra large. Sometimes I can wear an extra large and sometimes I can't. Next one is Charter Club White Navy Sleeveless Tunic. Original price $79.50. My cost $22. So that's like way, oh, this is cute. It's got like little ruffly things at the bottom and a ruffle at the top. I don't know. Might fit. Looks like it might be a little tight, and it's cotton. At least I think it's cotton. So it doesn't look like it would stretch much. Let's see. See if I can find what it's made out of. I don't see it. Maybe it's in the neck. Oh, and this is only a large. I can't usually wear a large. That's too bad too, because I think it's really cute, but I think it might be too small. Here's a black and white polka dot top. Or is that navy? I think it's black. Hillary Radley black and white polka dot. Extra large, $42 original price. My cost $23. And here's like a t-shirt, very soft t-shirt. It says Lucky Brand Company House of Fine Clothes. I don't know if I want to advertise some company. Lucky Brand, Heather Blue, short sleeved. Petite 2XL. Original cost $39.50. My cost $21. It's cute, but you know, it's just a t-shirt. And then here are some. I thought they were denim, but they're not. They're a. I asked them to send me a 16 to see if I can fit in them. They're like pull-on pockets in the front, kind of stretchy, but I think they're cotton. They are Land and Sea olive green summer shorts, size 16. Original cost $40. Mine cost $22. Now, let me see if I can figure out how to prop this thing up so I can try these on for you. But I don't know. It's, if I take my feet off, it goes whoop. Because the whole, it's like a, you know, tripod legs and one whole leg snapped off. So it, of course, lists to the side where the leg broke off. So I'm not sure if I can figure out how to make this stand up by itself without me holding it up to show these clothes. We'll see what we can figure out. Well, I think that was kind of a bust. I'm going to have to start getting more picky because, you know, I'm going to have a lot more expenses once I move back into my house. If the house is paid off, but property values are going through the roof here in Texas because all the people from California are moving out here and with all their California money and driving up the prices of everything. So my property taxes, I just got the statement, my property taxes went up $800 this year. And my insurance went up $1,400. So that's a big hit when you're not going to have a very big income, because I'm living off Social Security, which isn't very much, and then whatever rent I get from renting out part of my house. So I'm going to have to start being picky and only getting stuff I love. I love the color on this. The pattern's really pretty. Don't like the material very well, and the fit was, it was okay. A little tight. Clingy. So this one's a no, even though it's a beautiful color and beautiful pattern. I just don't think it, and then this one, it was really cute, but I could get it down to here. I couldn't get it over the girls because it's a large. I don't wear a large. I wear a 1X, so I don't even wear an extra large usually. This one was okay, but again, it's that in Texas, you want more cottony materials in the summer, not this polyester kind of stuff. What is this made out of? Yeah, 100% polyester. This stuff makes you sweat like crazy, and in black in the Texas heat. So this is definitely a no. This was cute and super soft, and I love the color, but $21, or is it 21? Yeah, it's $21. I don't know. Get a t-shirt at Walmart for like 10 bucks, so I think this is a no also. And these shorts, I was excited because they fit, and it's a 16, and I've been wearing an 18, so actually they were too baggy in the crotch, and then as you saw when I pulled them up to my bra strap practically, then the crotch wasn't baggy, but who can wear them? I pulled up that high. So these were an experiment, and I'm excited that I could get in a 16, but these particular shorts just fit me weird. I mean, they weren't too tight, which was great, but they were a little baggy. I don't know if they're supposed to be a high-waisted or what the deal was, but if I wore them at my natural waist, because I'm super long-waisted, then the crotch hung down to my knees practically. So unfortunately, these are all going back this time, because since my finances are going to be really iffy for a while, and who knows how it's all going to play out, I'm going to have to be real careful. And plus I have a Stitch Fix coming, so I have to see about that too. But I didn't dearly love any of these, so I'm not going to keep any of them. So what'd you all think? I thought that first turquoise one with the white flowers was really cute, but I didn't like the material. If I had kept anything, it probably would have been that t-shirt, but I can't see spending $21 on a t-shirt, especially a t-shirt advertising some company. They should be paying me to walk around advertising their company, right? So, let me know what you think. Let me see if I can add all this up for you. It was, let's see. So that's $111 would be my cost. And the original cost was, let's see, 80 and 40 is 120, 160, 200, right around 240 or 240 for the original cost on all these. So what did I say, 110-ish to 240. So this was more than 50% savings on these. But there are no, I will send them back. Can't do it till Monday because post offices will not open on the weekends where I live. What else? Oh, tonight I'm going to, there's somebody in my small group at church that used to be Jewish, and she's Christian now, and she's going to do a Passover Seder dinner for us tonight, you know, with all the Jewish traditions. So that will be kind of fun. Not sure how much of it I can eat, being gluten-free and all that, but I'm just going along for the companionship, and I think it'll be really interesting to see because they follow certain things. They ask certain questions, and they leave an empty chair in case, I think it's Elijah or somebody comes. Anyway, I don't forget what all the traditions are, but I think it'll be fun. Oh, Dougie wants out. He heard a door and he thinks it's his mama, but I don't think it's his mama. All right. I will be back soon, and next week probably with a Stitch Fix. So let me know I love We Blessings. It's a real good bargain, but this time didn't work for me. So if you want to give it a try, I'll put my link below. You'll save me money, but you won't save anything.